Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a very short video with some very simple information. How to fix a broken rod tip on your fishing pole without going and buying one of those kits. Let's get right into it. First of all, I apologize for the quality of this video. I was running out the door and remembered I wanted to do this, so I just did it real quick. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to heat up that eyelet at the end of your broken tip. And once you've done that, you should be able to pull it right off of the broken piece. Then you're going to take your glue, you're going to put it on the end of your pole, and you're going to slide that piece right on. You want to make sure it's snug and you want to make sure it's lined up with the other eyelets before you let that dry. And it's that simple. That's it. I hope that was helpful. All you need is some CA glue, some super glue, and a lighter. And you can do that on the go. You don't even have to go to the store and get one of those kits. And one thing I would like to add, if you're in this situation, it is 100% your fault. It is not the child that stepped on your pole. It is not the buddy that closed it in the car door. It's your fault. You are in charge of your own fishing poles. So if somebody else broke your pole, show them a little grace. And if you were a butthole about it, go apologize. That's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like if this was helpful. We'll see you on the next one.